In this video, you are gonna learn everything about the cron job in OpenClaw. It is not just gonna be limited for the cron job itself, it is gonna expand its capabilities with the MCP server setups as well. I'll be showing you Yahoo MCP finance server setup so that you can get the latest stock market research data. I'll be showing you how you can schedule this cron job using the Telegram group itself. And at every 3 minutes, I'm getting here stock market news. Later on, you can schedule it as per your choice, whatever you select. Currently, it is selected at 3 minutes, but if you want to schedule it, let's say every day at 9 a.m., you can just simply send a simple prompt to your OpenClaw. It is gonna set it at 9 a.m. for you. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to get the link for this playlist, free OpenClaw tutorials, from the video description. I have covered here so many OpenClaw tutorials. You can get started with the OpenClaw setup, then Discord setup, and so much more. Basically, you will be mastering OpenClaw by following this playlist. And also, please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that whenever I publish new OpenClaw video, you would be able to get the latest update immediately. All right, let's get started with this. So let's see how you can schedule a cron job with the OpenClaw. We have seen so many tutorials previously. This is going to be very special one. Let's say you have so many jobs to do, but those jobs are periodic job. Job means, let's say, work. There are work which is repetitive work. For example, let's say you need to do the stock market research daily before market opens. Now, with the help of cron job, you can schedule it at a specified time. Now, let's see how cron job works. So you have minute, hour, day, month, and weekday to specify in cron job. Then there is cron tab file. On Windows, there is a scheduler which works with the system clock. Whatever time you specify, based on that, your job get triggered, and then it execute as per your selected time. To understand its fundamental, you can see that here on crontab.guru. Let's say if you want to schedule a particular job at 4 a.m. and 5 minutes, then you can do something like this. So this is going to specify minute, this is going to specify hour. And then if you specify here day as well, then this is going to run at this particular time on day of month 1. That is the first day of a particular month. You can also select here month as well. So on December 1st at 4:05, it is gonna run at this particular time. So this is how you can do this. Now you don't need to do this manually. You can do everything through the OpenClaw itself. OpenClaw have here dedicated cron job scheduler. It can schedule everything for you. You don't need to do all of these manually. Everything will be done by OpenClaw itself. Before we move ahead, let me just tell you here what are the applications here so that your fundamentals should be clear here. There are tons of applications where you can use this cron job. If you want to do scheduled DB backup or scheduled email report or scheduled clear cache, log rotation, health check, API sync, and so much more. Now let's schedule our OpenClaw for stock market research at every 2 minutes so that you can see here a live demo. So what I'm going to do here, first of all, I'm going to show you here Yahoo Finance MCP server. So we are going to use this Yahoo Finance MCP server for stock market research. So I take this link, thereafter I come here inside the OpenClaw dashboard. Thereafter, you can issue here a new command through new session. If you have a Telegram setup or you have a Discord setup, you can also issue your command from here as well. If you don't know how to do these, I have already made complete playlist, free OpenClaw tutorials. You can see all of those here itself. Link for this playlist is given in the video description. Let's come back here at the OpenClaw dashboard. So we are going to instead of giving it from the OpenClaw dashboard, I'm gonna give it from the Telegram. Okay, so what I'll do here, at every 2 minutes, it is going to send me report at my Telegram group. That is the stock researcher. So first of all, I need to make sure here it schedule, basically it configure the MCP server, this MCP server. All right. install this MCP server so that we can use it later, let's say. So now it is going to install this MCP server. Installing this MCP server is super simple. All the instructions, whatever is needed, that is given here. And it can do all the market research which OpenClaw agent needs. So it has started here getting the data. Once it gets complete data, then it will install it. MCP server installation is done. It has restarted the gateway as well. And you can see here MCP server is initialized here. It is getting initialized. You might be able to see, I don't know if it is captured in my screen recording or not, but it is being shown to me that my Norton antivirus is scanning MCP server. Once scanning is done, then it is gonna make sure it is running in OpenClaw. And scanning says here, good news, the file looks safe. Perfect. Everything is done. Let's go ahead and schedule our task. Create a scheduled task that runs every 2 minutes. Fetch latest US stock market news and top movers using Yahoo Finance MCP. Summarize in 5 bullet points and push it here in this Telegram group, let's say. All right. It is going to be really very quick, I guess 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and make it 3 minutes so that we can give here some space, breathing space actually. All right. Once it completes its setup, we will be able to see our cron job here. So as you scroll it down, you will be able to see scheduled cron job here. Currently, we don't have any cron job here as of now because it is getting scheduled. Our agent has started working on this. Cron name is stock market update, which is getting scheduled currently. It is trying to create the scheduler. We, we will be able to see it. In fact, we can see here, it has scheduled here, created stock market update task scheduled every 3 minutes. Task detail is like this, stock market update, and this is how it is gonna work. Now you see, it is gonna repeat every 3 minutes. Now you could have asked, or I could have asked here, repeat it every day at 6 p.m. because US market opens at 7 p.m. I want information before, before 1 hour. 7 p.m. I'm saying as per Indian Standard Time. All right, that's the IST time, but that timing could be different for other part of the world. All right, so whatever time a particular market opens, I would be I would be scheduling my task. I would be scheduling stock researcher just 1 hour before. All right, so it is done. Now after 3 minutes, you will be able to see the details here. Okay, so it is done, and after 3 minutes, currently it is 8:32. It is expected by 8:35 or so, we should be having here some update. In meantime, if we come back here, we can see job. There is one job which is scheduled here, stock market update. Let's go ahead and see its detail. You have a prompt, get latest US market news and top movers using Yahoo Finance MCP tool. And then you have summarized in exactly 5 bullet points. Use Yahoo Finance, get Yahoo Finance news for market news and Yahoo Finance, etc. Whatever data it need to run basically. Okay, cool. And it is enabled. There is no run history currently available. Now after some time it is gonna run and then we'll be able to see. And here we can see the details, like every 3 minutes it is gonna run. Now you can schedule all these, as many cron job you want to schedule, you can schedule that from the message itself to your OpenClaw, something like here. So we have to wait for some time. So our first cron job has executed here. You can see based on the market data I collected, here is your US stock market update in exactly 5 bullet points. So this is what I had asked our agent to send in every 3 minutes. And it sent us at 8:36 p.m. So it is around 3 or 4 minutes. It might have took a little bit time to send this data. So here you have a market breathe warning, then your AI stock drag, then you have a Tesla rises, solar ETF explodes. You can check all these in real time as well. For example, if you want to check this stock price, you can check as well. So it is down, seems like 4%. Yes, you can see 4.86%. That particular stock is down. So similar to this, you can set whatever schedule you want to set. Here you will check your schedule. Basically, you can check your history here as well. So this is what we have received here in a Telegram, and we'll be having our run history here. As many as cron job you have scheduled, those you can have here. I hope it was helpful to you and it was knowledgeable to you as well. Now you have gained here some understanding and knowledge how you can set up MCP server and how you can schedule a cron job as well. If you are looking for a free tutorials on OpenClaw, I have here a dedicated playlist on YouTube, free OpenClaw tutorials. Link for this playlist is given in the video description. Don't forget to watch other videos as well. And I hope you have subscribed this channel. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please go ahead and subscribe this channel because I'm publishing a lot of OpenClaw and ZenAI videos. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, please comment in the comment section. I will be more than happy to make a video for you. Okay, bye bye guys. Take care.